guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is a Charlie's nail art collab, and the theme for this collab was night sky. As you'll see there, I was in the process of doing my nails, so I thought to make a change, why not do this on myself? So that's what I did. So I'm starting off by using the Coscelia 04, which is their black gel polish. And I'm just going to start off by doing the index finger first, because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I've got a Nicole Diary 9D cat eye gel polish, which is this here. I got this from AliExpress and I've not used it yet, and I've been dying to have a play with it. So yeah, so I thought I'd just try the index finger first and see if I was happy with it before I went in and did all the rest of the nails. So after I applied that black gel polish, I popped it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm taking a gel brush and I'm applying that 9D cat eye on top of that black gel polish. With any of these cat eye gel polishes, they always recommend to have a dark base, but I always find that they work best over a black. So I've just applied that to the whole of the nail, and now I'm taking this magnet and I'm just having a play about with it, really. Look at that, I just love how they move. I could sit and play with this for hours. Look at it move, it's so cool. Really, really cool. And I was just trying to go for a bit of a galaxy sort of effect, really. That's what I wanted it to kind of look like. Or a bit like the Northern Lights. So then once I've got that where I want it, I need to put that in the lamp straight away to stop it moving. And that 9D gel polish cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm happy with how that index finger turned out. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 4 nails exactly the same. You'll see there, I'm just flash curing that for 10 seconds in the lamp just to hold it in place. It's just to stop it flooding into the cuticle while I apply the black gel polish to these nails as well. And then once I've done these 3 nails, I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. I'll just do that so it cuts my time down, that's all. So now I've applied the black gel polish to those 3 nails. I'm now going to go in and do the cat eye design. I only bought this one colour in this cat eye gel. I just thought I'd give it a try before going out and buying the rest of the colours, but after doing this set and having a little play about with it, I'm definitely going to have to buy the rest of the colours now. It just gives a really, really cool effect on the nail. You don't even have to use the magnet, you could just use it as a full coloured light gel polish. I have got a few of the 3D cat eye gels. They leave a cool effect too, but nothing like these 9Ds. These 9D cat eyes, they've got such a pretty colour shift to them. They're really, really cool. I love them. I love them a lot. Another thing I like about these cat eye gels as well is once you've gone in with the magnet and you're not happy with how your design looks, you can just go back over it again with the brush and it will just make it back to how it was when you first applied the gel. As long as if you don't put it in the lamp, you can just keep playing about with it. But then when you put it in the lamp to cure, that's when it will freeze in whatever position you've left it. That's why when you are happy with the design, make sure that you put it straight in the lamp really quickly, because these particles do tend to move quite quickly. So the minute you've got that cat eye where you want it, make sure you put that nail straight in the lamp. So that's that now done. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And you'll see there that I did the thumb off camera just to save time, because it's the exact same process as what I've done on the other fingers. So now I've gone in with a non-white top coat, and I've not cured that, and I'm going to apply this glitter into the non-white top coat. I could have just sprinkled this on, but I wanted it to be a bit more controlled, so that's why I'm just going to apply it with this wooden orange stick. And then I've popped that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and that's going to hold that glitter in place. And now I'm going to do the exact same on the pinky nail. I just wanted this to be a kind of a glitter fade. I wanted there to be more glitter at the top, and then as it comes down to the free edge, I wanted it to kind of fade out a little. How gorgeous is that glitter? It's such a pretty blue, and that is the blue Silent Night glitter mix from Charlie's Nail Art. I shall leave the link to Charlie's website in my description box below, and you'll also see I've popped it in the top left hand corner of the screen. Underneath that is my discount code. So for those of you that do place an order at Charlie's, don't forget to use my discount code BGG10, and that way you'll save yourself 10% off your order. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and that is the set complete, guys. I really hope you like this set. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would. Also, I shall leave the website to Charlie's in the description box below, and you'll also find my discount code there too. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.